Let's calculate duration of time in minutes using some common examples. Jessica started her piano lesson at 4:30 p.m. She finished her piano lesson at 5:15 p.m. How long was Jessica's piano lesson? Let's use a timeline to help. Starting at 4:30. It takes 30 minutes to reach 5 o'clock. It takes another 15 minutes to reach 5:15 p.m. Add the minutes. 30 minutes add 15 minutes is 45 minutes. So, Jessica's piano lesson was 45 minutes long. A soccer match started at 2:15 in the afternoon. The final siren was heard at 3:45. How long was the soccer match? Starting at 2:15. It takes 45 minutes to reach 3 o'clock. It takes another 45 minutes to reach 3:45. Add the minutes. 45 minutes add 45 minutes is 90 minutes. So the soccer match was 90 minutes long. Okay, one more. A bullet train left Nagoya Station at 11:35 a.m. and arrived at Osaka Station at 12:34 p.m. How long was the train journey? It takes 25 minutes to get to midday and another 34 minutes to get to 12:34. Add 25 and 34 to get 59. The train journey was 59 minutes.